Welcome to Create, Cook, and Talk. I'm Shantae.
I'm Kaylee.
What are we cooking today?
We're making monster eyes.
Sandwiches, right? Woo! Because why? Halloween?
Halloween is around the corner,
Woo!
so something you need to eat.
So, speaking of monster eyes, did you know that the giant squid has the largest eye in the animal kingdom?
Wow, I never know that.
It's the size of a 10-inch dinner plate.
Wow.
Wow. And did you know, another little fun fact, did you know that an ostrich, their eye is about 2 centimeters long, but it's bigger than their brain?
Wow. Oh.
But we're going to make monster eye sandwiches today. So we're going to get cooking, right?
Yep.
We have turkey meatballs. And we'll kind of go.
I will tell you, we have sauce,
olives, provolone cheese,
and
butter. So ready?
Meatballs.
All right, so let's get started, okay? It should be very fast. And we also set the oven to broil, so we're going to have to watch it, okay?
Yep.
So I'm going to have my plate, my pan, thank you. Okay, so let's get those, Kay.
So we need our...
Now we used Chicago style hoagie rolls. Basically you just want the short hoagie styles. Is that one cut?
No.
I tried to cut them. Okay, so cut them so they're not cut all the way. Okay. We're gonna put them out. Those ones are not cut because I was gonna let you do that, but that one's cut all the way. Okay, Kay, so now we basically took the little Chicago rolls and we cut them so that they don't have to be cut all the way. But, you know, if they do come apart, it doesn't really matter. Okay, so now this is just melted butter. So, Kaylee, we're going to have you stir that up a little bit with that, and then I want you to paint both sides of the bread, okay? I'll hold this over there. So just paint it. You got to, yep, do it a little bit more. Okay, go fast. Nobody wants to wait for all this. They want to get to eating. Okay.
You're watching me.
I'm rushing you?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. You're right, I did rush you. So here, paint that one. You're right, I wasn't very patient, was I? Okay, you here, get the other side.
Oh.
Okay, so once you have the bread buttered basically, and we did put a little bit of seasoning salt in it, right? To make it a little more flavorful. Put that over there, that goes in the sink, it's dirty. Okay, so now we are going to use whatever your favorite tomato sauce is.
Yep.
Put some on each bread, Kaylee, just like a tablespoon on each bread.
Now you put peas on top of it.
Yep, just put that there and put it on the other side. Yep. Okay. Good job. Keep going. Move them over for you closer. Boom. I'm not sure. I didn't know how much sauce to put in there, but I think we did pretty good. Okay, now I'm gonna just say, go ahead, you can put that down. We're just gonna put this, I'm gonna use the back of the spoon and just smear it around a little bit, okay? No?
We can.
Nothing
Yeah.
fancy, right? Okay, now,
Now we do
you wanna put the meatballs on there? Would you like a fork or tongs?
No, I use my hand.
You'll do your hands. Okay, 2 eyeballs, 2 eyes. Put them right there. Gotta put them next to each other. No, next to each other. Okay. Keep going. No, keep going. Put all the eyeballs on. Now you have to make it so, because you're going to make, there you go. Yep. Keep going. This right. Oops.
Will you stop watching me?
Stop rushing you? I'm sorry. Maybe I am rushing you today. I'm sorry.
Because
You're not in a rush?
Mm-mm.
That's the wrong one. You got to make this one over here. Okay. There you go. Good job. Now. I know, I am kind of in a rush today. Okay, now you're gonna put a piece of cheese on, right? You might have to. Okay, and this is provolone cheese. We didn't really say that, but provolone cheese is gonna go on top of all of the meatballs. You think that's enough, or we should?
We need more.
We need more. More of what?
For him.
More.
I think
more cheese or what?
That's good.
That's good.
Then we may put olive.
Okay, so. Wait, I think we need to melt these first and then put the olives on. Okay,
Okay.
let's try. We're gonna put it in the oven, so we're gonna put it in the broiler. Underneath the broiler, I move the broiler up. Okay, Caitlin, so the broiler is in there and it's working really hot, so I'm leaving the oven door open. Oh, it's telling us the door is open. Okay, but that's okay because you have to watch when you're using the broiler. And I also have it really up high because it can burn really fast. See, we're almost there. In fact, I think we are. One more second, count.
1, 2, 3,
4,
4, 5.
Okay. Wow. See, we already got the bread toasted. Okay, so let me see if we got this. We got to get our... What? Now this pan's scorching hot.
Yeah, you
So
have
just
to
want
be
to put your eyes on there.
No, you're not gonna help me. I'll do it.
Oh, I'm sorry. Okay. But just don't touch the edges. 2 eyes. This little guy's falling. No, but you gotta make sure you do it the right way. Gotta have them so they're out. Whoops. Okay, so these are the our monster eye sandwiches, and I do want to like stress, just put a little dab right there, Kaylee, so they look like they're a little monstery. Just no, not too much. Okay, now go to the next one. And I do want to stress, like, don't cut the roll all the way because it'll hold it together a little bit better. And if you're going to do it the way we did it, or you could also just do it in the microwave, if you're going to do it under the broiler, you do have to really watch it because it can burn really fast. And I didn't know this until researching this project, but you could actually leave the oven door open when you're broiling like that because it heats down and cooks the food, all right? So let me see how they look, Kay.
Good.
I think we got to mess that up a little bit so they don't look like Santa Claus. I'm trying to make them look mean, right?
Mm-hmm.
Like they're coming out of bloody stuff. I don't know.
Like a Monster Inc.
Monster Inc., right? So we thought this would be a little bit fun for Halloween, right? And
Right.
a sandwich, something they can eat before the costumes are on, right? But create, cook, and talk. Encourage learning by creating yum.
And if you may do this at your Halloween party, or you can do this at your own time. So please give us a thumbs up if you like our video. And if you have another Halloween
Recipe.
can you please show it to me, my mom? Because we'd love to make something with you for Halloween. So
Thanks for being with us today. We'll talk to you soon.
Bye.